Ever spent hours wrestling with wood, only to realize a small tool could have saved you all that time? What if I told you you can grab 20 brand new tools from Amazon all under $30 that can transform your workshop without busting your budget? Stick around, because tool number 17 is one you didn't even know you needed, and it might change everything in your next project. If you've ever struggled trimming dowels or pegs perfectly flush, this Japanese flush cut saw from Temple Tool Company is a game changer. At just $23, it's handcrafted in Japan with over a century of saw-making expertise. The razor-sharp blade cuts on the pull stroke, giving you effortless, splinter-free results in both hardwood and softwood. Its solid beech handle with brass accents isn't just beautiful, it feels amazing in your hand. Designed by Chris Schoenberg of Third Coast Craftsman, this tool blends Japanese precision with Western craftsmanship. Clean, accurate cuts have never been this smooth or this affordable. The Imbot edge banding trimmer is a woodworking tool designed for deburring, edge planing, and correcting uneven edges. It features professional-grade stainless steel blades made from 5-chrome 15 molybdenum vanadium steel for precise and durable trimming. With its 3-in-1 functionality, it handles both straight and curved edges on plywood, melamine, laminate, PVC, ABS, and veneer. The trimmer includes an ergonomic non-slip handle for better control during detailed work. Lightweight at just 0.42 pounds, it is versatile for cabinet making, furniture finishing, and veneer adjustments. It also makes a practical gift for woodworking enthusiasts. Looking for a reliable tool to measure angles with precision? The Klein Tools 935 DAG digital electronic level and angle gauge is built for pros and DIYers alike. With a wide range of 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees, it's perfect for woodworking, bending conduit, or alignment tasks. The high visibility, auto-rotating display ensures you can easily read measurements, even in low light. Its strong magnetic base attaches securely to metal surfaces for hands-free use, while the V-groove edges keep it steady on pipes and conduits. With zero calibration for relative angles, this $30 tool is a versatile must-have for accurate measurements anywhere. Struggling to move your heavy workbench? HOLKIE retractable casters are here to help. Just $27, and you can upgrade your workspace with ease. Simply press the side-mounted pedal to lift your workbench, roll it anywhere, and release to lock it firmly for stability. Made from durable solid steel with high-quality PP wheels, these casters support up to 700 pounds across 4 wheels. The 360-degree swivel design ensures smooth movement in any direction. Perfect for workbenches, furniture, or equipment where both mobility and stability matter. Easy to install with the included template and instructions. The Milescraft 5223 Glue Mate 450 is a precision wood glue bottle with a 15 ounces, 450 milliliters capacity, priced at around $6. Its double-chamber design ensures smooth, even glue flow and allows dispensing at any angle. The set includes 2 interchangeable tips, a precision doweling tip for narrow applications, and a flat biscuit tip for wider joints. An anti-drip nozzle with protective caps prevents mess and keeps glue fresh for longer. Compact, durable, and easy to handle, this applicator is ideal for woodworking, furniture assembly, and DIY projects. Note: glue is not included. The Temple Tool Company Japanese flush cut saw is a 6-inch double-edge pull saw, priced at around $23. It's designed for trimming dowels, pegs, wedges, and tenons perfectly flush to the surface. Made in Japan from high-grade steel, the razor-sharp blade cuts on the pull stroke, giving smooth and precise results with little effort. The solid beechwood handle with brass fittings adds both comfort and durability, while the lightweight design makes it easy to control. Blending Japanese craftsmanship with Western influence, this saw is perfect for fine woodworking and professional quality finishes. For just $7, the General Tools Scratch All tool with hardwood handle is a must-have for precise woodworking. Its alloy steel blade is sharp and durable, while the fluted hardwood handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. Whether you're marking drill points, creating shallow grooves to guide your saw, or piercing wood for layout work, this tool delivers accuracy and control. The Scratch All's design reduces slipping and ensures clean, straight cuts. Compact yet strong, It's an ideal addition to any carpenter's or DIY enthusiast toolkit. For anyone doing DIY or woodworking, the Saker 10-inch contour gauge is a lifesaver. Wrapped gift priced at just $20, it allows you to trace and duplicate irregular shapes with perfect precision. The adjustable lock keeps the measurement intact while you mark your material. It's lightweight, rust-proof, and portable, so you can carry it around easily. I used it on circular frames and wall edges, and it gave flawless results. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool makes tricky projects so much easier. Definitely worth adding to your toolkit. Looking for precision in every measurement? The VINCA IP54 digital caliper is available now for just $25. Measuring up to 6 inches / 150 millimeters, it instantly converts inch, metric, and fractions, perfect for DIYers and professionals. Made with stainless steel and a high-precision glass scale, it provides accurate readings of plus or minus 0.001 inch / 0.03 millimeters. Its smooth sliding design and large LCD screen make every measurement easy and reliable. With IP54 water and dust resistance, RS-232 data transfer, and an extra battery included, this caliper is ready for any project. Measure like a pro today. Looking for a way to drill perfect straight holes every time? The self-centering Doweling jig is here for you, and it's just $15. Made from high-grade aluminum alloy, it's durable, wear-resistant, and built for precision. With 9 drill guide sizes, 2 to 10 millimeters, and included wooden dowel pins, it meets all your woodworking needs. Supporting up to 1 to 3/4 inch thick boards, it's simple to adjust and ensures accurate vertical holes for seamless board splicing. Whether you're a DIYer or professional, this tool makes projects faster and cleaner. Get yours now and take your woodworking to the next level. Take your creativity to the next level with the Dremel 729-01 carving and engraving kit. Available now for just $10. This 11-piece accessory kit transforms your Dremel rotary tool into a powerful carving and engraving machine. Perfect for working on wood, metal, glass, plastic, stone, and ceramic. It includes a variety of engraving bits, diamond wheel points, and grinding stones for precision detailing and sharpening. The kit also comes with a reusable storage case, keeping your tools organized and ready anytime. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro craftsman, this set gives you the edge in every project. Looking for the perfect tool for precise, clean cuts? Meet the GARTOL miter shears, priced at just $27. Built with a sharp SK5 steel blade, these shears deliver effortless cuts on PVC, trim, softwood, molding, rubber, and more. Ideal for any DIY or craft project. With an adjustable angle from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, you'll get perfect joints every time. The durable aluminum alloy handle with an anti-slip grip ensures comfort and long-lasting use. Plus, it comes with 2 replacement blades for added value. Safe, versatile, and reliable. Upgrade your toolbox today with GARTOL miter shears. The damaged screw extractor set is a handy solution for removing rusty, broken, or stripped screws. At just $9, it includes 6 extractors that fit most drills and cover screw sizes from 3 to 12 millimeters. Made from high-speed steel with 63 HRC hardness, the bits are strong, durable, and built to last. Using them is simple. Just drill a hole and twist counterclockwise to remove the screw. The process is quick, smooth, and saves a lot of frustration. Whether for home repairs or DIY projects, this set is a practical and reliable tool that gets the job done. The POWERTEC abrasive cleaning stick is an essential tool for keeping sanding belts and discs in top condition. Priced at just $10, this 8.5-inch natural rubber eraser effectively removes sawdust, pitch, glue, and other residue without damaging the abrasive surface. It's simple to use. Just press the stick against your running sander and instantly clear away buildup. Made with professional-grade natural rubber, it's durable, long-lasting, and works on a variety of sanders, plus skateboard grip tape or even rubber saws. Keep your sanding tools performing like new with this affordable, reliable cleaning stick. The XFasten double-sided woodworking tape is a must-have tool for any woodworker, priced at $22 for a 3-pack. Made with industrial-grade fabric and silicone-based adhesive, it sticks firmly to wood templates, mounting boards, and edge banding, yet removes cleanly without chipping or leaving residue. The cloth backing prevents curling, making it easy to handle and apply precisely. Designed with input from professional woodworkers, it's perfect for CNC routing, splicing, and other detailed woodworking tasks. Strong, reliable, and residue-free, this tape saves time and ensures professional results. Ideal for both hobbyists and craftsmen. The ball gouge angle grinder attachment is an excellent tool for rapid wood carving, priced at just $16. Made from premium 45 carbon steel, it's durable, wear-resistant, and built for long-term use. Designed to fit standard 4 1/2 inch or 5 angle grinders, the spherical grinding head features hundreds of aggressive burrs that remove material quickly while leaving a smooth surface ready for finishing. Perfect for freehand shaping, hollowing, and undercutting, it works great on bowls, spoons, logs, and other wooden projects. Strong, precise, and efficient, this grinder attachment delivers professional quality results for any woodworking enthusiast. The King&Charles cabinet hardware jig is a game-changer for installing handles and pulls, priced at $10. Its automatic center punch prevents jitter when drilling, allowing precise, clean holes every time. With metric and imperial scales on durable ABS and stainless steel, measurements are accurate and repeatable. The jig is detachable and portable, coming with a storage bag for easy transport. Perfect for drawers, cabinets, and doors, it saves time by eliminating repeated measuring. Quick to set up and reliable, this jig makes DIY and professional woodworking projects faster, easier, and more precise. An essential tool for any workshop. The Beendou draw knife, priced at $27, is a must-have tool for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Made from high-strength manganese steel, it's durable, corrosion-resistant, and maintains a sharp, beveled edge for effortless bark stripping. Its curved 10-inch blade and ergonomic wooden handle make it easy to pull, quickly removing bark from logs, fence posts, or firewood. Perfect for furniture makers, turners, and home woodworking projects, this draw shave tool delivers precision and control. Simple to use yet highly effective, it allows smooth, accurate shavings, saving time and effort while making wood preparation easy and professional quality every time. The BeaverCraft Wood Carving Knife Kit S15 is a professional quality set priced at $30, built for precise and efficient carving. It includes a detail knife, chip knife, roughing knife, leather strop, polishing compound, and tool roll, all ready to use out of the box. The ergonomic handles provide a firm, comfortable grip for long carving sessions, while the sharp blades allow smooth, controlled cuts on wood. Made with quality craftsmanship from Ukraine, this kit handles detailed projects, shaping, and whittling with ease. Reliable, durable, and versatile, it's a top choice for anyone serious about wood carving. The KATA Hacksaw frame set, priced at $22, is a versatile 3-in-1 solution for cutting wood, metal, drywall, and more. It includes a 12-inch hacksaw with adjustable 45 degrees and 90 degrees angles, a 10-inch mini hacksaw with extra HSS blades, and a drywall/jab saw made from durable manganese steel. Each tool is built with ergonomic rubber grip handles that reduce fatigue and improve control for smooth, efficient cutting. The high-quality aluminum alloy and carbon steel construction ensure durability and long service life. Reliable, sharp, and easy to use, this set covers all your cutting needs in one complete package. And that wraps up our list of 20 amazing woodworking tools under $30. Which one do you think will save you the most time in your workshop? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your favorite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you won't miss more budget-friendly tool finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.